How to reply with a GIF on Instagram. If you find a post that you want to comment on using a GIF, the process is simple. First, tap on the comments icon below the post. This will open the comment section where you usually type your response. Here, you should see a small GIF icon next to the text input field. Tap on it and you will get two options, one for avatars and one for GIFs. Select the GIF option. Now you'll see a large collection of GIFs that you can use as a comment. You can scroll through the available GIFs or use the search bar to find a specific one. For example, if you're looking for a GIF that says nice, simply type it in the search bar and Instagram will show matching results. Once you find the GIF you want, tap on it. This will instantly add it as a comment on the post. If you visit a post and don't see the option to comment with a GIF, it's possible that the user has disabled GIF comments on their account. Instagram allows users to turn off this feature, preventing others from using GIFs in their comment section. That's how to reply with a GIF on Instagram.